Hello guys, here is an update video on the vintage Bogen model SPT-15 PA horn from the year 1980. Here it is after it got restored. So, if you haven't watched the last video, so pretty much to explain this was purchased from eBay. This was listed as an auction. And in those pictures, one of these sides was severely damaged. So I'll probably list a picture in the video, but one of the sides was damaged, and I was kind of gonna use this for parts, and I had some spare horns on hand, so I figured why not. But I figured why not try and repair it, using a hammer with one of those pads for the chairs and a cloth on top of the sink, since it is curved. So there's that. And as you see here, it pretty much came out in nice shape. It is repaired now. This entire side here was the side that, was crushed. And I thought this was damaged for good. So it was salvageable, apparently. There are some dents still present on the horn, but not really that much. You can't really see it from a far distance unless you really look close at it, as well as the side. Once again, not really noticeable unless you take a look at the detail like the rim, but otherwise it's not really much to concern, considering this still works perfectly fine. And about the paint job, this is painted like a strawberry ice cream type of color. This was originally going to be painted in this metallic rose color, but there were no spray paints of that certain color available at the Lowe's, so this paint color was the secondary option, and it was the only one available there, of course. But anyways, it looks really nice, especially seeing one of these Atlas horns in a very strange type of color here. You usually see these either in beige or in gray, like that guy right there. So, figure why not change the color, so there's that. And I also did the Bogen logo. This was Sharpied up with a blue Sharpie. And I figured that this kind of resembles the Baskin-Robbins logo from the 2000s. So, kind of gives like that Baskin-Robbins vibes with the ice cream color and, the logo scheme as well. So anyways, let's play some music. Here we go. Let me put this back real quick. So as you heard there, it pretty much sounds very excellent, of course. Almost as if it had a full range driver in there. Especially since the bass is definitely audible, despite the tweeter size being like 1.25 inch, of course. And apart from that, he's not being meant for bass at all. But either way, it does the job. It sounds very rich and pleasant for a re-entrant type speaker, which is why many people like these Atlas AP15s here. And these older ones, they are for sure very decent. So yeah, that'll be it for this video. That's the update of the Bogen model SPT-15 PA horn after restoration.